George McDermott here, Secret Justice News and MarylandCourtWatch.com. This is my last report for 2010. I'm now in front of the U.S. Post Office in Oxon Hill, Maryland, where I plan to mail off this document to Fletcher P. Thompson, Assistant Bar Counsel, Attorney Grievance Committee, 100 People's Resource Center, Crownsville, Maryland, I'm mailing a copy of the filings that I filed in the U.S. Supreme Court in reference to the letter I received that they sent to Kenneth MacFayden regarding my complaint for attorney misconduct and fraud on the court, where they filed false affidavits asserting that I requested the case be transferred to hijacking Judge Thomas Smith of Prince George's County Circuit Court. So I'm going to mail this. I got signature confirmation. This will be the last act for 2010. On 2011, my first act will be I'm filing a Freedom of Information request with the Bar Council on to asking for all the complaints against MacFayden and BB&T Bank's lawyers, as well as some others. I want all the copies of all the, at least the cases that were complaints that were filed and whether they were followed up or not. I don't need all the history. All I'm looking for is just a brief summary. What complaints were filed, whether these complaints were acted on, or whether there was ever a case number assigned to them or not. I'm also going to be filing a Freedom of Information request with Prince George's County new clerk of the court, requesting a verification of the documents that allow the circuit court to accept unsigned orders as having any force and effect, and the history of those. I will be traveling to Annapolis, Maryland to get a file Freedom of Information request on the Maryland Rules Committee, and the chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee asking if they have any that they, after 8 years of stonewalling, if they will produce the signed orders, the legislative intent on issuing unsigned orders, since Maryland is not a court. It's a court of record, but it's not a court of electronic filing. So all these orders I've gotten from 1995 to present are an absolute fraud and a sham. And the fact that MacFayden was allowed to sell my property with the use of an unsigned order makes the Maryland judicial system a complicit in a criminal fraud. So I'll follow this up on January, first Monday in January. George McDermott signing off for MarylandCourtWatch.com and SecretJusticeNews.com. And I just talked to Glendora today, and she's going to start putting my video clips up on her YouTube site and distributing them to the 90 stations that she has around the country, so that people can see just how corrupt Maryland courts are. Signing off for Secret Justice News, George McDermott. This is the 30th day of December 2010, New Year's Eve. God bless and have a good day.